It's winter, and that means my hair needs a little more TLC. In this video, I'm going to show you how I moisturize and treat my hair for winter months. Now, because I'm not in the shower, I'm starting with just a simple spray. It's just water. Just spraying my hair to get it completely wet and ready for cleansing. Once my hair is completely wet or rinsed, I'm going to start with LA Naturals Manuka Honey and Bergamot Conditioning Cleanse. This is the first step because I want to completely cleanse my hair without stripping it of any oils and conditioning it in the process. With any product, I like to take my hair and separate it into sections and work the product into my hair from root to tip, especially focusing on the ends. For this product specifically, it says to leave in, so I'm just putting my hair in sections, working the product through, and then popping my hair into a little bun. It's going to stay like this for a few minutes so the product can work through. After rinsing out the cleanser, my hair honestly feels light and moisturized. I could have stopped right there, but today I'm going to spoil myself and add this double cream moisture mask. Now the mask is a thick product. It is super moisturizing and deep conditioning. So I'm going to pull the product through my hair, focusing especially on the ends and detangling as I go through. After it's detangled, I'm just going to twist my hair to keep the hair separate and detangled and make it easier for me to deep condition. After I've completely covered my hair in the moisture mask, I'm going to pop on a shower cap and allow the product to sit for 20 minutes. After I've allowed the product to sit for 20 minutes, I'm going to gently unravel each of the twists and prep my hair for rinsing. After rinsing out the product, my hair is moisturized and defined, and I definitely would say that putting those twists in during the deep condition definitely helped my curls take shape. Now it's time to style, and for that I'm going to use the Shrink Away Elongating Curl Cream. Another product that's super moisturizing, another product that smells great and also just melts right into my hair. This product helps define my curls while also moisturizing them and keeping the shrinkage away. I'm going to pull this product through my hair the same as I did every other product, but I'm going to finish it with my Denman brush, using the brush to further define my curls and help them form. Now, after cleansing, treating, and styling my hair with nourishing products, my hair feels moisturized and my curls are so defined. Now that my hair is completely moisturized and ready to go, I'm going to diffuse for a bit because I like volume. The final product I'm using is a Shine and Refresh spray. I'm just going to go in and spray it all over my hair to give it a little more shine and definition. Now I'm just working the product into my hair, tugging it at the roots and at the ends to stretch my hair and give me some more volume. Now I'll just go through with a pick and also my fingers to again elongate and stretch my hair. My final step is to pull my hair up into a top knot. I do this because it's yet another step to stretch my hair and to give me that volume I want. So So I pull it up into a bun, and I usually leave it there for as long as it takes me to put on my makeup and get dressed. Now in the time it's taking me to get dressed and throw on some makeup, my hair has had some time to stretch. I just pull it down and use my fingers to pop it into the style that I'd like to wear. And there you have it, happy, healthy, moisturized winter hair. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe at Brooke Slade and brookslade.com.